Social evolution and human behavior. Social evolution refers to the gradual development of human societies and how behavior, cultures, and institutions have changed over time. It is closely linked to biological evolution, but it focuses on the social and environmental pressures that shape how humans behave and interact. Over thousands of years, humans have gone from living in small, simple groups to forming complex societies with sophisticated systems of governance, economics, and social norms. Early humans lived in small, nomadic groups known as hunter-gatherers. These groups relied on cooperation for survival, working together to hunt animals, gather plants, and protect one another. This cooperation was essential, as early human societies were highly vulnerable to environmental dangers. Sharing resources and caring for others were vital behaviors that promoted group survival. As human societies transitioned to agriculture, they began to settle in one place, leading to the rise of farming communities. With this change, societies became more structured, and new roles emerged within communities. People began to specialize in different tasks, such as farming, building, and governing. As populations grew, these communities developed laws, cultural traditions, and economic systems to manage resources and social interactions. This shift in social evolution changed human behavior as competition for resources and power became more prominent. The development of cities and empires introduced even more complexity into human social structures. Governments, social hierarchies, and organized religions emerged, shaping behavior and providing a sense of order. Individuals began to occupy different social roles depending on their place in the hierarchy. Laws were created to regulate behavior, and systems of education allowed knowledge to be shared across generations, transforming how humans communicated and understood the world. Throughout this evolutionary process, cooperation remained an essential part of human behavior. In early societies, cooperation was necessary for survival, and behaviors like sharing food and working together to protect the group were common. As societies grew larger, cooperation became more organized. Social norms, laws, and institutions helped maintain order and promote collaboration among people who may not have known each other personally. Communication has played a key role in social evolution. Early humans relied on face-to-face communication within their small groups, but as societies evolved, new forms of communication emerged. The invention of writing allowed people to share information across distances and over time, leading to the spread of ideas, laws, and cultural practices. Modern communication technologies, such as the Internet and social media, have further transformed how we interact and share information. These advancements allow people to connect globally and exchange ideas instantly, impacting human behavior on a much larger scale. Social evolution has also been influenced by competition for resources. In early societies, competition often centered on securing food, land, and water for survival. As human societies evolved, competition expanded to include wealth, power, and social status. This competition has driven innovation as people seek to gain advantages through new technologies and ideas. However, it has also led to conflict as individuals and groups compete for dominance. In addition to competition, cooperation has remained an important force in shaping human behavior. Many of the most successful human societies have been built on cooperation, where people work together to achieve common goals. Cooperation has led to the development of complex social systems, such as governments and economies, and has allowed humans to build large, thriving communities. Social norms and institutions have played a significant role in regulating behavior within human societies. Social norms are the unwritten rules and expectations that govern behavior. These norms help maintain order and promote cooperation within communities. For example, in many societies, it is considered polite to help others in need or share resources with those less fortunate. Institutions, such as governments, legal systems, and religious organizations, formalize these social norms and provide structures for regulating behavior. These institutions have evolved over time, shaping human behavior and providing stability within societies. Legal systems have been one of the most significant developments in social evolution. Early human societies relied on informal systems of justice, such as revenge or compensation for wrongs. As societies grew more complex, formal legal systems emerged to regulate behavior and resolve disputes. These legal systems create clear rules that individuals are expected to follow, shaping behavior by encouraging people to act in ways that are socially acceptable and avoid punishment. Religion has also played a crucial role in shaping human behavior throughout history. In many societies, religion has provided a moral framework for behavior, helping individuals understand their place in the world and guiding their interactions with others. Religious institutions have organized communities, promoted cooperation, and regulated behavior through shared beliefs and practices. In many cases, religion has helped unite people and foster social cohesion within communities. As human societies continue to evolve, new challenges and opportunities arise. One of the most significant drivers of modern social evolution is technology. Advances in technology, such as the internet and smartphones, have transformed how people live, work, and interact with one another. These changes have led to the development of global markets, online communities, and virtual workspaces, shaping behavior in ways that were unimaginable even a few decades ago. While technology has created new opportunities for connection and collaboration, it has also introduced new challenges. Issues such as climate change, cybersecurity, and social inequality require humans to adapt their behavior and social structures to address these global problems. As technology continues to evolve, social evolution will continue to shape how humans interact with one another and the environment. Cultural practices and traditions are another important aspect of social evolution. Culture includes language, art, music, food, clothing, and rituals that define a society. Cultural evolution has been a significant force in shaping human behavior, as people adopt and adapt cultural practices over time. For example, the development of language has been critical for communication and the transmission of knowledge across generations. Art and music have also played a role in shaping cultural identity and promoting social connections within communities. In conclusion, social evolution is the process through which human societies have developed and adapted over time. From early hunter-gatherer groups to modern technological societies, social evolution has influenced how humans behave, communicate, and organize themselves. Cooperation, competition, social norms, and institutions have all played significant roles in shaping human behavior. As we continue to face new challenges and opportunities, social evolution will continue to influence how we adapt, thrive, and build a more connected and complex world.